Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
To those that argue with you concerning Jesus after the knowledge ye are received, say, Come, let us gather our sons and your sons, our women and your women, ourselves and yourselves. We will pray together and call down the curse of Allah on every liar. When real arguments fail to produce the desired effect, then to wish for the intervention of Allah's judgment in order to sift the right from wrong is called Mubahila. In the year 9 AH, Prophet Muhammad wrote to the heads of different tribes and countries of the world, inviting them to Islam. One of the letters was written to the Christian community of Najran. A large delegation was appointed to go to meet the Prophet. Warmly welcomed by the Prophet, they were put up in one part of the mosque where they were allowed to perform their prayers comfortably. They asked the Prophet what he thought of Jesus, and he said, He was a human being created by God and was a prophet. Have you ever seen any child born in this world without a father? They asked. The Prophet replied, Jesus is like Adam in the sight of Allah. He created him from dust and then said to him, Be, and he was. They could not answer to this argument, but continued to debate the issue. When a verse of the Quran inviting them to a Mubahila was revealed, they accepted the challenge and at the appointed hour arrived at the place where the Mubahila was going to take place. There they saw the Ahlul Kisa, the Prophet, Imam Ali, Sayyidah Fatima, Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein. And immediately their leader, Abu Hadis, said, I see such faces that if they raise their hands in supplication and pray to God that the biggest mountain may be moved from its place, the same will happen immediately. We should in no circumstances engage in Mubahila with these sacred people, because it is possible that not even one of us may remain alive on the face of the earth. And from this they withdrew their Mubahila.